The finish is amazing now. It literally looks like it's been done by a professional. It's incredible. You would never think there was lacquer peel there. Dad.
What?
Dad. Look at that.
What?
What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to episode 5 on the Road to Supra series. Now, as you would have saw from previous videos, we've done basically all of the big main jobs needing to be done on it, like the rust repair, the lacquer repair and the headlight restoration. Now, the last big main thing needing to be done on it before we can sell it is the wheel refurb. And that was the plan for today's video, but unfortunately, Dad's still quite ill, he's got a really bad throat and we've not had a chance to go out and get all of the paint. So what I guess we can do for this video is do all the little main things. Dad started on the wet sanding all the panels were painted, because when we were painting them in the garage they obviously got a few little bits of dirt in them. We want to get that out so that it's perfect. So we'll get that done, we'll get the wheels off and we'll just see how much we can get done today. Say hi to the camera, Marmite. So what Dad has done while I was at school is he's used a 1500 grit sandpaper just to get all of the worst bits of dirt out of the paint, and what he's using now is a 2000 grit just to finish it off and get it ready to be machine polished. So this is the back tailgate that we painted, and from here it looks amazing, but just like the bonnet, it's still got all those little bits of dirt in it. So if we come around here, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but there's loads of little bits of dirt that when we were painting got under the lacquer and causes it to have high spots and just look really dirty. And that's what the bonnet had, but it was a lot worse because it's a much bigger surface. And that's also what wet sanding helps with. It flattens it down so that it's nice and smooth and there's no high spots, low spots, and when you polish it back up there's little to no orange peel. So that's what we'll do now. We'll grab the machine polisher and we'll see how it comes out. So for this we're going to be using a brand new dual action machine polisher. If you want to get your hands on one of these, we are going to be giving one away in our giveaway when we hit 1,000 subscribers. All you have to do to enter is hit the subscribe button, and once we hit 1,000 subscribers we'll pick someone at random and you'll get this machine, one of these dual action machine polishers. You'll get a couple of hoodies, t-shirts, stickers. So yeah, hit the subscribe button because you could be in the chance of winning one of these. So what Dad's using at the moment is something called G3. Now this stuff works incredibly well. We used this on the last video where we did the headlight and taillight restoration, and I know Dad's been using this stuff for years. If you want to pick some up for yourself, you can head over to the yourhomebuild.com website and pick some up. So while Dad's doing the machine polishing, I don't want to give away too much of the final result, so what I'll do is I've got the jack out, we'll get the car up on stands, that way we can take the wheels off and get them ready to be refurbished. plan was, while Dad was doing the machine polishing, I would take off all the wheels. But Dad's now finished the machine polishing, I've not took off any of the wheels, and Dad's now trying to get all the lock and wheel nuts off. So, we didn't save any time. Dad! Dad! Look at that!
What? It's only a wee bit.
You need to be careful.
I'll machine polish it again.
It's unfortunate that it got pretty dark on us really fast, but Dad's shining the light on it at the moment, and look at the sparkles. It's very good. Dad did a great job on it. Once the headlights and that are all in, that'll be the front end completely finished and completely done. We gave the wiper blades, Dad gave the wiper blades a quick spray of black paint, and we cleaned up these grills because they were looking a bit faded, so that's all done. So unfortunately the camera did die, so we've had to go back to the good old trusty phone. We're still trying to get used to the DSLR. I went through 2 batteries today filming this video, so and it's probably only going to be like a 5-minute video. So if we look at the back end, it's almost complete as well. We've done the refurb on the taillights, polished them up, and they now really pop. Once we get the new number plates and the badge, and I think we're going to get a new Cooper badge. Once all that's back on, it should look much better. And once again, the paint job, Dad's machine polished it back off. It looks incredible. So Dad did a really good job there, especially for being ill. So we didn't quite get around to doing the door. It got really dark, but as you can see, it's still got all the dirt in it. So a quick, easy machine polish that'll get it just as good as the bonnet and the tailgate. But now that we've got the wheels off of the car, you can just see how nasty they actually are. These centre caps definitely going in the bin. And all the curb brush, we'll show you a few tips and tricks on how to fix that. And all this rust inside where the bolts go. Really disgusting. You can see all the yellow bits off of the brake dust. So we'll get all of that sanded down, painted. Hopefully we'll have paint next weekend. It's been like 2 weeks since we've not had paint. So now that Dad's slightly better, he's not the best, but he should be better this weekend. We can go out, we'll get some paint, and then we can do all the wheels. And that'll be it. That'll be the Mini ready to be sold. So I think we're going to end the video here. Thanks for watching. It's not been the best day. We've had to quite kind of rush this video. So subscribe, leave a comment, like the video. We really do appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next one. Roll the outro.